Just in case you didn't know, in the WhatsApp app, there's a default setting unless you go and change it yourself. There's a default setting that uploads videos and pictures in a low quality. So to fix this, all we have to do is just open up the WhatsApp app, and on the three dots on the top right hand corner, select that, select settings, and from settings we're going to go down to storage and data. From here you already see the option where it says media upload quality. By default it's on standard, but we can go ahead and change that to high quality. It'll tell you it may send at a slower rate, but you'll get those crisp HD quality pictures and videos moving forward after we save that option. If you're interested in more informational videos around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.